Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So we are going to discuss one more topic from the unit ecology, and the topic name is biogeochemical cycles. So let us start this video with 30 MCQs from this topic. The first MCQ is the term biogeochemical cycle refers to the circulation of, and it refers to the correct option is option B, that is nutrient and elements through biotic and abiotic components. Which of the following is a gaseous cycle? Options are phosphorus, carbon, sulfur cycle, and both B and C. The correct option is option D, that is both B and C, that is carbon plus sulfur. The next question is the main reservoir of carbon is. The main reservoir of carbon is atmosphere. In the carbon cycle, plants play a key role during. The correct option is plants play a key role during photosynthesis. Which process release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere? And it is the process of respiration and decomposition. The nitrogen fixing bacteria in leguminous roots belong to the genus, and they belong to the genus Rhizobium. In the nitrogen cycle, ammonification means, and it means conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, ammonification is the breakdown of organic. Eighth question is the process of converting ammonia NH3 to nitrite NO2 minus is called, and it is called the nitrification. Denitrification is carried out by, and it is carried out by Pseudomonas and Clostridium bacteria. 10th question is in the phosphorus cycle, the main source of phosphorus is atmosphere, rocks, oceans, and fossil fuels. And the correct option is option B, that is rocks. The next question is the phosphorus cycle is called a sedimentary cycle because options are on your screen, and the correct option is option D, that is both B and C. B is its main reservoir is in rocks and soil, and C is it involves no gaseous exchange. 12th question is which of the following pairs is correctly matched? And the correct option is option C, that is nitrosomonas ammonia to nitrite. Which process is common to both the carbon and nitrogen cycle? And it is the process of decomposition. Which process in the nitrogen cycle requires oxygen? And the correct option is nitrification. The slowest biogeochemical cycle is phosphorus cycle. Which gas contributes most to global warming from the carbon cycle? And it is carbon dioxide. Eutrophication is mainly caused by excess of, and it is caused by excess of nitrogen and phosphorus. Biological nitrogen fixation occurs in, and it occurs in presence of nitrogenase enzyme. The carbon in fossil fuels originally came from, and it came from dead organisms. The uptake of nitrites by plant is known as, and it is known as assimilation. In the phosphorus cycle, animals obtain phosphorus through eating plants or plant products. Which of the following is an anthropogenic human-made impact on the carbon cycle? And it is the process that is deforestation. Which of the following statement about nitrogen cycle is incorrect? And the correct option is option B, that is denitrification increase soil nitrogen. The carbonates in ocean act as a major source of major sink of carbon. Lightning helps in, and it helps in atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Which form of nitrogen is most easily absorbed by plants? And it is easily absorbed by plants as nitrates, NO3. Which of the following step does not occur in the carbon cycle? And it is the nitrification. The main form of phosphorus available to plants is, and it is phosphate ions. Which process adds carbon to atmosphere naturally? And it is the process of volcanic eruption. The overall importance of biogeochemical cycle is that and the correct option is C, they maintain ecosystem balance. Thanks. Have a nice